Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you why you should avoid merging cells. Let's get started. In this example, we didn't have sales data for this row. So we merged all four cells into one cell, mainly so we could center the text across several columns and set it apart from the other data. However, there's a problem. Watch what happens when I try to sort this data. I'll try to sort largest to smallest, and it doesn't work. It gives us an error message. Now let's say we wanted to copy some data from one part of our sheet and paste it into the merge cell. That doesn't work either. It gives us a different error message. So what's the problem? Well, many Excel features rely on the consistent grid of rows and columns that every spreadsheet has by default. Merge cells break out of this grid, so Excel may not know how to handle it. Luckily, there is another way to get the same basic look without merging cells. First, we'll need to unmerge this by clicking the Merge and Center command, so that these are now separate cells. Next, with all four cells selected, click the little arrow in the alignment group in the horizontal menu. We'll select Center Across Selection and click OK. This has centered the text perfectly, and it looks exactly like a merged cell, but it's actually separate cells. Most importantly, it won't cause problems the way merged cells will. For example, if we try to sort it, it works, and we don't get an error message. It's worth noting that center across selection only works horizontally. So for vertical groups of cells, you may still need to merge. But I recommend using center across selection whenever you can because it will help you avoid all of the problems associated with merged cells. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.